Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine and are enjoying our online sessions. Today in this session we are going to revise lesson number 2, treasure map. So let's start.
Let's revise lesson number 2, treasure map. Now, do you all remember the number of characters in the story? Yes, there are 2 characters in the story, Pia and Piyush. They spotted a bottle which appeared to have been washed ashore by the waves. Now, do you all remember? How was the bottle? Yes, it was a big green bottle with a cork at the top and a paper rolled up inside. Isn't it, everyone? Yes. Now let's check what happened next. Pia pulled the cork and unrolled the paper. It was a map of that beach with a red cross on it. Looking at the red cross, they assumed it might be the place where someone must have hidden something. So they decided to follow the map. Okay, everyone. Now, do you all remember how did they start their journey to find the treasure? Let's check. First, they headed 10 steps to the north. Headed means moved in a particular direction or towards a certain place. Then they walked 20 steps to the west. I hope you all remember the compass rose which shows the directions on the map. Now, what did they do next? Let's check. They passed 4 coconut trees as the map indicated. Indicated means showed, isn't it? Finally, they came to the place marked with the red cross. The 2 children could not contain. Contain means control their excitement. They sat down and started digging the sand with their bare hands. Bare hands means uncovered or without gloves until their fingers hit an object buried. Buried means hidden underground inside the sand. Now, what was it? It was a tiny box. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now, do you all remember? There was something written on the box. Guess? Yes. PIA was written on the box. So, what happened next? Let's check. Piyush was puzzled to see PIA written on it. Pia laughed and gave the box to Piyush. There were candies inside the box for him. Oh wow! It was a wonderful surprise gift for him. Lovely, isn't it, children? Have you all understood? Pia had planned all this for her younger brother Piyush. You all can also do this, isn't it, children? Yes. I hope you all have revised well. So now,
Let's start with fill in the blanks. Number 1. Pia and Piyush were walking by the seashore. Number 2. They spotted a bottle. Number 3. They decided to follow the map. Number 4. Finally they came to the place marked with the red cross. Okay, everyone. I hope you all have revised. Fill in the blanks well. So now let's start with
answer in one word. Number 1. A soft material made from the bark of the tree used for closing bottles. Answer cork. Number 2. Find the exact position of someone or something. Answer locate. Number 3. Moved in a particular direction or towards a certain place. Answer headed. Okay, everyone. I hope you all have revised answer in one word well. So now let's start with choose the correct option. Number 1. Piyush was puzzled or happy? Answer puzzled. Number 2. The two children could not contain or show their excitement? Answer contain. Number 3. They climbed or passed 4 coconut trees as the map indicated. Answer passed. Okay, everyone. I hope you all have revised everything well. So, we end our today's session over here. Okay, everyone. Meet you all in the next session. Till then, bye, everyone.